Carlos Tandron. I'm an orthopedic surgeon practicing at San Marco. So I went to college at Georgia Tech, graduated from there. Then I had the privilege of going to Emory University for medical school. Did my orthopedic training there also. Been in practice here since 1989 now. Yeah, so I came from the orthopedic training program, and then it was actually called Jacksonville Orthopaedic Clinic back in 1989. And there were 3 of us in that practice. And then we morphed into Jacksonville Orthopaedic Institute. So throughout the years, I've been a sports medicine physician and also joint replacements. Over the last 10 to 12 years, I pretty much only do shoulder surgery and knee surgery, whether it's replacements or reconstruction from athletes to my older patients who need joint replacements. So part of the remodeling is really just to aesthetically make it better looking, that's obvious, but to make it an easier flow of patients so they don't have to sit around in the waiting room. We've had waiting rooms in the cars where people basically sit outside, we call them in, text them in, we've done that. But it's to improve our flow of patients so they come in, get taken care of as efficiently as we can. Now, there are challenges every day that haven't changed, and the challenges have nothing to do with remodeling. The challenges are the computer systems that we have to do to be compliant with healthcare and Medicare laws. So those are challenges that sometimes take up a lot of time on the front end. But as far as once you get into the room, we've tried to become more efficient, taking care of you and getting you in and out. And that's where the next phase of remodeling comes in. And unfortunately, it does require a lot of time to remodel. We hear about supply chain, it's a real thing. Supply chain remodeling has been difficult. Getting the people to come in and do the work has been difficult. But it's progressing. As long as our patients hopefully understand that, it's going to be a better product for them, make it easier for them once they come see us in the future. What's really fulfilling is providing good care for our patients. The adding of numbers is just to meet the population needs. So I feel really good about what we do to help people. As far as the growth of the practice, it's just a natural byproduct of practicing medicine and practicing orthopedics. We as physicians, and not just physicians, but all our staff, are very thankful. JOI wouldn't be here without our patients. We're here to serve the patients. Moving forward, I think we still have some rough times ahead of us, and I hope we all stay kind to each other. As we stay kind to each other, it makes it easy to provide care for each other. Whether I'm providing care for a patient or a patient's providing something for me. I think the kindness in human nature will prove to be the best thing moving forward for us all. But I do want to thank our patients as we've gone through the pandemic, and also as we've gone through this bricks and mortar remodeling, which is important, but not as important as us being kind to each other.